literally about to burn through all of the fuel I just put in. So this is my 225 horsepower Honda Civic Si, 2007. It's powered by a JDM K24A, bolt-ons, and an E-tune. The tune is not finished, and I have an exhaust leak. So if you're wondering why it's not pulling as hard, that's probably what it is. But tonight, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to own a 225 horsepower Honda. But you guys can see I'm just cruising right now at 65. This thing is smooth, quiet. With the second of a downshift or a little bit of throttle, it will pick up pretty quickly. So I'm in 6th gear right now. If I give it a little bit of gas, see it's effortless. So there you guys have it. That's basically what it's like to own a 225 horsepower Honda. This thing's an absolute blast. It is quiet. It's drivable when you're off the throttle, but when you want to give it some power, there's power pretty much there in all areas. And that's one of the main reasons why I did go K24 swap, is because of the torque and the power band. There's literally power everywhere. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, be sure to give a like, drop all your comments down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.